Mak!
Hmm.
Mak! Baby datang dari mana, Mak?
Baby datang dari mana, Mak?
Te 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 te
Te te te te te te te
te te te te
te te te te te te.
te 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 te. Oh, lovely. Oh, so lovely.
Mother, what are you
Absolutely
watching?
lovely. Oh, I'm watching this vampire movie.
Oh, I love vampires.
Vampires, Conjuring.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's Texas chicken.
Oh. Mommy,
Yes, darling.
what are you doing?
Oh, they're just French kissing.
So they're from France.
Yeah. They're from France. Yeah. You're so clever.
Yeah, but why is he putting his tongue inside the other girl's tongue?
No, darling. Our saliva is actually it's like a form of like detergent. You know, it cleans.
Oh,
Right. And French kissing. That's how you French kiss, darling.
Oh.
When you like each other, you French kiss to show how you like each other.
Alright, so like for me, I love you because you're my mother. Can I French kiss you?
Oh yeah, sure do. And we are friends. We are from France anyway. So come let's do. Mak, ada cerita apa ni, Mak?
Cerita ni lah ta'ala, cerita orang putih, cerita vampire ke apa ni hang kan. Bertaring orang tu.
Oh. Dia nak gigit lah, Mak. Dia gigit kat mulut, Mak. Bukan gigit kat leher ke, Mak?
Allah, aku susah lah cerita orang putih ni. Tengok cerita hantu pun nak melesek. Tak. Ni, perempuan tu nak bunuh vampire tu.
Habis?
Vampire tu nak kena makan gula hex untuk mati. Jadi perempuan tu ada gula hex kat mulut.
Obat tu dia suruh
Masuk dalam
vampire
mulut.
tu gigit mulut dia.
Gigit mulut. Jadi itu hex masuk dalam badan.
Pula, selalunya gigit leher je, Mak je.
Ni tak apalah. Tengok cerita lain lah. Tengok cerita. Kita tengok cerita bawang putih bawang merah.
Mak, saya macam nak start buka, Mak.
Bawang putih bawang merah. Mak dia jadikan kaloi. Mak dia jadikan. Mak dia mati jadikan. Tengok cerita dia Kau hajar betul lah cerita orang putih ni.
Samantha, what are you watching, Samantha?
Who's Samantha, Mommy? My name is Shirley.
Oh, Shirley, I forgot about that.
I'm watching this show, it's called The Titanic. It's really sad, Mommy. It's about this big ship that capsized. Mommy, what are you doing?
This is called making love, darling. When you love each other, you make love. And that is how you make love. First step, you have to take off each other's clothes.
No, I don't think I'm comfortable taking off my clothes in front of boys, Mommy.
Oh, my daughter has grown. Darling, it's okay. I love you for who you are. It doesn't matter any gender.
What agenda?
LGBT gender.
I'm confused now, Mommy. I just need some time alone. I'll go to my naughty corner.
Okay, go. For 10 minutes.
Buruk ni nangis. Kenapa, Syasha? Tu cerita apa kau tengok ni?
Ni, cerita Titanic, Mak. Sedih cerita tu.
Oh,
Pasal
cerita pasal-
darjat, Mak.
Oh, darjat. Antara dua darjat lah gitu.
Betul darjat. Tapi kat kapal lah. Nanti kapal tu tenggelam. Cerita betul, Mak. Tu buat apa tu, Mak? Dia gaduhkan kereta, Mak. Sampai basah asap tu dalam kereta. Bukan goyang tu kereta, Mak.
Kereta tu berasap pasal dalam kereta tu sejuk. Jadi condensation.
Tapi kalau sejuk, asal dia orang buka baju, Mak?
Tutup ni. Aku nak cakap sikit.
Asal belum orang boleh tengok?
Jangan tengok benda-benda macam gini. Orang putih tu, diorang suka meleseh. Sana tak termalu. Kita orang Melayu ada adat sikit. Ada cara dia sendiri. Bukan buat kat kereta gitu. Kita nak kena masuk dalam bilik. Tutup lampu. Bawa selimut. Engkau jangan buat ni semua. Aku dapat tahu. Memang jangan buat malu aku anak dara sekarang. Janganlah buka berselisih masuk dalam kereta. Kadang-kadang tak ada kereta, dekat tangga pun jadi. Engkau selalu pergi tangga kan? Susahlah budak sekarang ni nak cakap.
Boleh tengok balik cerita dia.
Tak boleh.
Dia tengok cerita apa
Ni,
sekarang?
tengok ni. Ustazah Nubaya. Dia cerita pasal anak-anak dahaka. Bagus. Nanti dia nangis. Bagus cerita. Anak dahaka kau nak tengok. Mommy, I've
yes,
got a
darling.
question for you.
Yes, darling.
Mommy, where do babies come from?
Yes?
Babies? Where do babies come from?
Oh well, babies come from the sky, darling. Like there's a bird who carries babies and will drop to you in front of everyone's house. So you happen to drop in front of my door. So when
Okay.
I opened the door in the morning and I was like, oh my goodness, how beautiful this baby girl. And I was like, despacito, taki taki,
Oh, you're
senorita.
You're Spanish now, mother.
Oh yes, darling. That's why I named you senorita.
My name is Shirley, not Samantha, not Senorita.
Oh, then the bird must have dropped you at the wrong place then. Mak! Mak, baby datang dari mana, Mak?
Baby.
Ah,
Baby
ada Mak tak tahu.
tahu jap. Kau ambil pen dengan paper sini, aku tulis address dia. Baby Baby datang dari kat sini lah.
Bola Abah?
Oi! Agrabah.
Oh, Agrabah. Agrabah bukan.
Dekat Mesir tu kan, dekat tempat Aladdin dulu. Situ banyak baby. Jadi aku punggungkan kat sana. Nak ambil nombor tau. Jangan lama.
Oh, jauh ni. Nanti Syasha nak pergi holiday ke Mesir dengan boyfriend Syasha.
Kenapa?
Boleh? Tak ada, sebab kita tu nak baby. Aku tak tahu mana nak dapat baby tu. So, manakan Mak dah tulis ni kat Agrabah, nanti kita cari kat Agrabah lah. Okay. Pergi dulu. Syasha nak keluar dengan boyfriend. Agrabah. Dah ada Prince Ali dah. Prince Ali, na na na.